Hello, welcome to my house. Look at this space, it is really wide. So I can enter here. Now we came to the second one room. The style of this house is calling villa in Korea. And this villa located in the center of the Apgujeong in a hot place. When you enter, you have a stairs and you have the elevator. In the previous house, we didn't have it, but here we have it. So this is really comfortable. Hello, welcome to my house. Come here. Of course, here is no furniture, but look at this space. It is really wide. The previous house was more luxurious and this house is more minimalistic. We can see that this minimalistic feeling is from the wooden floor and the color of the wall. This house has more big panoramic window and I really like it. You can open the window and you can see that there is one more layer. So the room will be every time warm. If I were living in this house, I will put the big bed in this corner and also maybe I will put the TV in this corner. So it will be really cool. Here we have a wardrobe and if you will open, you will see that it is really wide. So I can enter here and there will be more space. So also, we have the kitchen and I will show you more detailed the kitchen. We have here the refrigerator and you can put something on the outside, maybe a rice cooker or maybe microwave. Kitchen is looking like simple kitchen in all Korean houses. So there is of course comfortable things and it's really clean. It's normal, it's good, I think, and we also have a laundry. Now we're gonna see what is in the bathroom. So the bathroom is the color I really like because normally Korean use this kind of stone even on the wall, but they used another stone, more brighter. Other thing in here is more normal, but the most important thing that it is clean. The price for this room, one room, is 1 million won itself. And also the deposit price is 10 million won and utility fee is 100,000 won. For the center of the Apgujeong, for the luxurious center of the Korea, this price is very nice. And also nearby you can see the brand shops, normal shops, restaurants, cafes. We saw two houses in the luxurious area of Korea. If you think that it was helpful or if you have some questions, ask in the comments. And also don't forget to put the like and alarm and subscribe. Next video we are gonna go to another area. Thank you for the watching. Bye bye!